Hi, Coach. Today I'm going to teach you about invoices on the individual contact record page. On the individual contact record page, you have the ability to create, send, and manage invoices for a specific contact. To get to the Invoices page, simply go to the left-hand side of your screen and click Invoices. Here you will see the options to create a new invoice, look up invoices, export data to a CSV file, all of your invoices, recurring invoices, and archived invoices. When you click Create New Invoice, you will be brought to a page that will easily allow you to create a new invoice for a client. You can select the client's name and email here. Please refer to the article on how to create invoices for more information. Going back to the main Invoices page now, I will show you that you can look up invoices in this search bar here via the invoice number or the client name. You may also use this date range feature to select the start and end date of when your invoice was sent. On this screen, you'll notice that you are presented with information such as the invoice number, client name, invoice date, invoice due date, amount, and status. This makes it easy to view invoices according to their status. To export invoice data to a CSV file, simply select Export Data to CSV, and your data will be able to be opened in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, etc. To manage an invoice, select the three-dot menu on the right-hand side of the screen, and you will see you can view details, edit an invoice, cancel an invoice, or archive an invoice. Let's take a look at the View Details page. Clicking the View Details button will bring you to this page. Notably, if you would like to record a payment manually, you can simply select Record Payment to manually notate that your client has paid you. It is on this page where you can also print this invoice, resend it, cancel the invoice, archive the invoice, or edit the invoice. Please note that it is not possible to permanently delete or remove an invoice that has already been paid in full. Instead, you can archive an invoice so that it is no longer visible in your Active Invoice tab. You may cancel or delete an invoice that is still in draft status. Now, let's go back and take a look at recurring invoices. You'll notice that the Recurring Series tab is here. In this tab, you'll be able to view the client name, frequency, next invoice date, amount, number of remaining invoices, and the status of the recurring invoice. Lastly, you'll see there is an Archived tab where you can see your archived invoices. To manage an archived invoice, select the three-dot button here, where you'll see the options to view details, edit, cancel, or unarchive this archived invoice. I hope this video on invoices on the individual contact record page has been helpful for you today. Thanks so much for watching. Happy coaching!